Good morning, students. Let's start our chapter Simple and Compound Interest. First of all, we will see simple interest as we have done in class 7. Interest is extra amount paid to clear the debt or loan. Simple interest can be found by PRT upon 100, where P equal to principal, R equal to rate percent per annum, T equal to time. And amount is principal plus simple interest. Principal can be found by simple interest multiplied by 100 upon rate into time. Rate can be found by simple interest multiplied by 100 upon principal into time. Time can be found by simple interest multiplied by 100 upon rate into time. Here, for principal, rate and time, we can make the formula using formula of simple interest and transposing the terms. Compound interest. When the interest charged on principal and accumulated interest for the previous periods, it is called compound interest. Means for first period we find the interest, then we accumulate this interest to principal, and then we find the next period's interest. Note, compound interest and simple interest for first period remains same. Otherwise, compound interest is always greater than simple interest. Amount equal to principal multiplied by 100 plus rate percent upon 100 whole raised to power t in case of compound interest. Means when we pay or receive interest as per compound interest, we can find amount by this formula. Compound interest is equal to principal multiplied by 100 plus rate percent upon 100 whole raised to power t minus p, because interest equal to amount minus principal. Conversion period. Conversion period is period for which we are finding the interest or amount. When interest is compounded annually, the time remains same in years and rate remains same as rate percent per annum or yearly. But if the interest is compounded half yearly, then time becomes twice the time half years, because in 1 year 2 half years are there, and rate will be half the rate given as annually, because the interest is charged 2 times in a year, so the rate is divided by 2. Similarly, if interest compounded quarterly, so there are 4 quarters in a year, so time will be multiplied by 4 and rate will be divided by 4. Thanks for watching.